Now, the cool thing about this breakout is these value drivers can handle any situation. It doesn't matter if the Mus or the MMs are going up or going down. There are times when a GP does materially improve a business, but the market tanks during the holding period. Here, the model would show strong intrinsic multiple expansion, even if total multiple expansion is flat or negative. The market multiple expansion component would be a large negative number that makes up the difference. There are other occasions where a GP makes a company worse, but it's saved by operating in a hot market. Here, intrinsic multiple expansion would always be a negative number, and market multiple expansion would be greater than total multiple expansion because the market valuation multiple outperforms the company valuation multiple. Another interesting thing you could do with this is look at intrinsic multiple expansion for companies that have not yet been exited. It can give you some indication of whether the current valuation is reasonable. While there might be some very good reasons that an active portfolio company has a large negative or a large positive intrinsic multiple expansion value, when you see it, it's probably something that you should look into.